Studies show that the average American spends about 5 hours a day on their smartphones. Traditionally, phones are used for calling and texting, but most phone calls won't last more than 10 to 15 minutes. And data suggests that people spend on average 2 hours and 15 minutes on apps alone. And in College Town, where our business primarily operates, I think it is safe to assume that the average is higher. Traditionally, we have only taken orders online, in-store, or call-in, but with so much time being spent perusing our smartphones these days, it could prove beneficial if we could capture some of the time people spend on their phone. Our team comes from many different disciplines, including finance, information systems, and marketing, and we have all worked with the company for a number of years. We understand our company's market and operations and have proven this in previous ventures, such as our successful promotional campaign, where we delivered assorted boxes of cookies to local businesses to demonstrate our product and attract business. Today, we want to unveil a plan we have to explore a new opportunity utilizing mobile phones to grow our business and revenue and also remain competitive while expanding our customer base and minimizing the costs of doing so. We believe there is a big opportunity in the advanced use of smartphones today, and capitalizing on this in the right way could align with our business needs and goals. My name is Daniel Casterkey, a regional sales analyst here at Cookie Co., and I am joined today by Sam Reeves and JJ Jaquez. Sam and JJ have worked at Cookie Co. for a number of years and are well respected by the other employees. Today, Sam, Cookie Co.'s regional marketing specialist, will address some obstacles we are facing as a business and what their implications are for our daily operations. He will also introduce our proposal and explain how it overcomes our current obstacles. Then JJ, an internal operations manager here at Cookie Co., will address concerns that you might have regarding the implementation of our plan and how they will be handled. After JJ, I will summarize and explain what our next steps should be so that we can move purposefully in a definite direction. We think we have a compelling argument to move to mobile platforms and capture more customers, and as a result, it will have long-lasting benefits to our company. Now we have Sam, who will address a few of our current difficulties and how we intend to make the best of those situations.
Hi, my name is Sam Reeves, and I'm the Regional Marketing Specialist here at Cookie Co. As many of you already know, our recent sales have plateaued in recent quarters. We are simply not meeting sales quotas in many of our stores. Graphed here are our recent sales juxtaposed next to last year's projections. As you can see, we are far below our expected sales for 2017. We attribute the decline illustrated here on this graph to several potential issues. First, it is becoming clear that our current market may be saturated. To continue growing as a company, we must find new ways to penetrate our existing market as well as building a wider customer base. The next issue we have identified is that we've simply not done enough to adapt to quickly changing food delivery industry. Several of our competitors have already successfully implemented mobile ordering platforms. If we are not able to adapt to the changing market, we are concerned that our market share will continue to shrink. With our current trajectory, we will be forced to delay openings of the new expansion stores scheduled to open in 2018. As consumer preferences continue to change, we believe that the development of a mobile app is critical to boost our current sales. We traditionally have only allowed for mobile and online sales. However, this limited sales model has left a substantial portion of the market untapped. In 2016, it was estimated that just over 10% of Americans used a food delivery app at least once a week. This is a trend that we expect to continue. The development of a mobile application will allow us to access the sizable customer base. Domino's, a company that launched mobile app ordering just a few years ago, attributes about 60% of its sales to digital platforms. Once our app is distributed and in use, we estimate that our sales figures will be very similar. The implementation of this new sales model will completely revolutionize the way we currently do business. To ensure that our stores are not caught off guard by the rapid change, we plan on mandating extensive training programs to all of our current stores. Once the app is in use, it will allow us to access real-time sales data that we can use to predict demand and decrease food waste. Having a mobile application will also allow us to distribute deals and offers directly to customers. I'm sure that you all have questions. I'm going to pass the presentation to JJ to answer a few of those.
I will be discussing some potential concerns with our application. The first is that it will be costly. Developing an app that can be extremely expensive. There are designers, programmers, project managers, and testers involved. It also takes a long time to make sure that everything looks just right and works the way that it should. However, the benefits of designing an easy-to-use application for our customers far outweigh the cost. This will bring in countless orders and allow for customization of cookies, which will in turn lead to customer satisfaction and increased revenues. As an example of this, we go to the Domino's example. Their app is extremely easy to use and it is efficient. Their app is also designed well. Because of this, customers are more inclined to order directly from their phones. The next concern is that getting the word out could be difficult. Since we are not an extremely large company, it will be difficult to market our mobile application and reach our entire target audience. The way we will inform customers of our brand new app is by advertising on social media on sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We will also provide free samples to surrounding businesses and around college campuses with flyers attached. The flyers will inform about our application and also provide instructions on how to download from major operating systems. Another concern is that it has to be easy to use, but it has to be different from other apps that already exist. Since our app is similar to what other apps already do, to avoid legal concerns, we will not base the design of our app on another one. We will try to find designers and programmers that have never used a similar app to inspire an original design that also already reflects the design of our existing website. The last concern is that there will be significant changes to procedures and operations in store. Since there will now be orders accepted through the app, in addition to the system will need to take place. The implementation is happening, employees will now need to be trained on the new way that orders will be processed. To avoid confusion and forgotten orders, employees will need to pay attention to all orders that are taken over the phone, on the app, and online. Once the employees are trained, moving forward, it should be fair sailing from there, and things should be moving smoothly. We will also need to hire more drivers to meet the expected boom in business. So as you can see, there are definitely concerns that will need to be addressed, but we have not only just provided the concerns, we have also provided solutions to those concerns on how to overcome them. Again, here's Daniel.
In summary, we need a way to not only stay relevant among our market today, but also to increase our sales and in turn increase shareholder wealth. We think that a mobile app does just this. It keeps us relevant by placing our logo right on the customer's mobile device where they're spending most of their time and gives them an invitation to order a cookie wherever they are. This should also boost our sales because of the constant marketing and will also streamline our ordering system so that we can capitalize on operational efficiencies. With your approval, we can begin consulting with our identified mobile app developer and create a new position to oversee the implementation and regular operation of the application. We can then begin scheduling trainings on the improved ordering system to bring our employees up to speed. A mobile app is the way to go to attract new sales and stay relevant with our customer base. We will be able to capitalize on some of our weaknesses and generate new revenues with the constant marketing of a mobile app. With a mobile app, we will be able to streamline our operations and create a more efficient and profitable cookie co. Thank you.